You guys, we are going to Nordeste today, so come along with us. Hello, my name is Rosa. If you're new to my channel, I live on San Miguel Island, and here on this channel, I like to show you a little bit of my culture and my journey. And so today we are going to Nordeste, so come along with us. We're going to see some gardens, some lookout points, and this will be the first time for me going to these gardens, so I'm really excited. I've been to Nordeste many times before, but always for work and never for sightseeing, so this will be fun. So we are taking refreshments and snacks, and we're gonna have some hot dogs, taking some lunch because we are gonna spend most of the day in Nordeste. You guys don't know the hassle it has been to get here. It's hard to find this place, but we got here. The Google Maps doesn't really explain well which exit to take, but we're here and it's really pretty. Okay, we are finished here at Ribeira dos Caldeirões and we're going to our next stop. We are going to Jardim Banik Nordeste. I think it has a different name, I'll put it on the screen. We just arrived to Jardim Banik Nordeste. The entrance is over there, but first we're going to eat over here in this little garden. And then we're going to explore the garden. Okay, we just finished eating lunch, but I want to show you how cute this little garden is. Picnic area. They have picnic tables everywhere. And there's even a little spot to grill. You can bring your own wood. I've never been to this pool. Definitely smells like the sea here. It's a natural pool, so the water that's inside of it is salt water. And wow, I didn't even know that they had like a little snack bar over there too. There's this nice little picnic area, so practically everywhere you go in Nordeste, there's tables and picnic areas. Here's a little snack bar. I think they're just opening, which is pretty cool. If you want an ice cream, you can just come right over here. And they have changing rooms. Yay! From the look of this this area here, it looks like this is a place where they would rail in whales. Maybe? Not sure. But these are the pools. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like on this video if this is the type of content that you like to watch. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And if you are subscribed, please hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a future video. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!